Today's video is going to be an introduction to one-point perspective, or drawing things in the third dimension. First, we will need paper, a straight edge, and a pencil. I also use this index card, and I cut it into a rectangle so that I can trace it to create my boxes. The first thing I'm going to do is get my straight edge, and near the bottom of my paper, I'm going to draw a line. This is called the horizon line. On the horizon line, I'm going to draw a dot. It's called the vanishing point, or VP for short. It's actually very important. Next, I'm going to take that little rectangle of paper I cut, and I'm going to trace it. And again. Now I'm going to use my straight edge, and I'm going to find the corners of the rectangle I just made. Line the straight edge up with the vanishing point, so the ruler is touching the vanishing point and the corner of the box, and I'm going to draw a straight line. Do this for all of the corners of the box. You might find that one or more of the corners of the box already overlap a line that you've drawn. In that case, you don't draw a line. It can be kind of tricky, but you'll get the hang of it. For this box, there's only two converging lines. A converging line is the line you draw from the corner to the vanishing point. Now this is the part I call chunking out. When you hold your ruler parallel to the line that you've already drawn on the rectangle and move your ruler down, you can draw the sides of the box. This is what gives it the three-dimensional look. For this box, we only see the bottom. You can shade. This will give your shape some three-dimensional definition. You can erase the converging lines when you're done with the shading. It's also fun to draw some shapes underneath the horizon line. This will give you a new viewpoint for your rectangles. So instead of seeing the bottoms of the boxes, now you'll see the tops. Think of the vanishing point as eye level.
Yes, Mommy. It's just a dream chill. Okay.
The important part is to make sure that you're always lined up with the vanishing point. You can even make smaller rectangles. I like to see what different shapes make. If you have a shape tracer with like a star or something with lots of points, that's also fun to experiment with as well. We start with a rectangle because it's an easy kind of starter to getting the hang of drawing converging lines from the points to the vanishing point. Once you get the hang of this, you can move on to other shapes.
Mom, second I use this.
And there you have it. 1 point perspective.